Hey guys, Coach Kevin, and I'm happy to be with you today. Hey, all month long we have been talking about relationships, and I've based a lot of my stuff that I've been talking about off this book called Boundaries. And it gives a great overall picture of having personal boundaries in relationships, whether it's in your family, whether it's in your work life, whether it's in whatever relationship you're in, it provides boundaries. And we've been talking about laws, and there are 10 of them in here. And I want to talk to you today about the second one, and that is the law of personal responsibility. Personal responsibility. And that is a huge thing for people nowadays, especially the young people I work with. It is very hard for them to take personal responsibility for anything in their life. You know, we have participation trophies nowadays. It's not just first place, second place, third place. Everybody gets a trophy. And so a lot of the times the guys I work with, or even my own kids, they have personal responsibility issues. And so I'll give you an example. You know, the other day, one of my sons was getting on the other one's case about something that has to do with school. And he was getting on this case because he had done bad in a quiz for geography or some other subject. And so instead of taking personal responsibility, what my other son did is he lashed out in anger. He lashed out in anger and said words that he should have never said. Have you ever been in those situations or circumstances where people question your validity, or you have failed at something and people come alongside and point out the failure? What is the first thing you want to do in that relationship? Yes, you do. You want to lash out in anger. But if you were to step back and you were to say, you know what? I did blow it. You know what? I could have studied harder for that test or that quiz. You know what? I messed up. Humility in personal relationship or personal responsibility goes a long way. So I want to encourage you, the next time someone comes up to you and you have a boundary relationship going on, and the law of personal responsibility, you have been responsible to hurt somebody, or you have been responsible to do something good and reach out and do something positive with someone. Take personal responsibility. You know, in the good times and in bad, personal responsibility can be the lifeblood of someone, and learning from your and other people's mistakes. You know, personal responsibility is a huge thing in my life. I believe that if I can teach my kids, my 12-year-old and my 9-year-old, how to conquer personal responsibility and how to take it upon themselves, if they see a problem and they have the ability to fix it, then they should go ahead and fix it. It is called personal responsibility. If there are dishes to be done and you have 3 to 4 minutes, why not step up and help your wife out, or help your husband out and do the dishes? Especially if they're yours. If they're your dishes, take care of them. If it's your underwear on the floor, it is not anybody else's responsibility. It is your responsibility to pick up the underwear. And for guys like myself out there, I want to encourage you. Happy wife, happy life. That's all I'm saying. Well, that's all the time I have for you right now. Go ahead and check out my website, thehallemansgroup.com, thehallemansgroup.com. And go out there and take personal responsibility in your relationships and see if they flourish this week. God bless, and you have a great day.